What's up guys, Philip here from Garage 88. Today I'm installing a amplifier and later on a subwoofer in my VW Polo. So stay tuned and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I already pulled through the power cable for the amplifier. That was an adventure on its own. So now I'm going to strip out the center console for the radio and connect the cables for the amplifier. Alright, so with all the cables connected at the back of the radio, because the speakers was already connected, so I just had to do the auxiliaries for the amplifier. I need to track all the cables to the back of the car and then see if everything is actually working. All the cables are in the back, and now to mount the amplifier and decide where I'm going to put the subwoofer. Alright, so as you can see, it's an 8-inch competition sub that I installed here, but the box is not big enough, so I'm just using this enclosure for a test. See if I like it. Maybe get the one that's actually spec'd for size on this, and then yeah, so I'll connect the power to it now and then we'll find out how it sounds. Seems to be working, sounds nice. So now I'm gonna put everything together, clean up, and then I'll show you guys at the end of the video what it looks like. And, this is what it sounds like. Alright guys, that's all from me today. Thanks for tuning in to Garage 88. Until next time.